Hello there, welcome back to the Chef T for Tochuku. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you enjoyed the quick and easy recipe you are about to watch. Hi guys, so today I'm going to be showing you one of my favorite low calorie breakfast idea. It just has to do with a lot of egg, there's bacon, there's vegetables, so let's get in. So first of all, I spray my pan because we use little oil over here. We're trying to track calories. So you need little oil, not too much. So I advise, especially if you're trying to lose weight or even maintain your weight, I'll advise you use oil spray rather than like a whole full teaspoon of oil. Now I'm just waiting for my pan to get like really, should I say heated? Like just let the pan get hot, and then we're going to start making the meal. Macro information is always in the description box, so please check that out so you can know how much calories is in the amount like I used. So first of all, do we're going to add we're going to add our bacon, and that green stuff on that bacon is spinach. I don't know how it got there. I think there was spinach in my hand or something. No, it wasn't my hand. I think on the spoon. I don't remember, but yeah, that's spinach. And then we're going to add our onions, chopped onions, macronutrients. That's like no, not macronutrients, calories counting. So basically, the amount I use, like how much grams of onions, bacon, all that information is always in the description box. So please check it out. It would be helpful for you if you're trying to count calories. And then now we're going to add a bit of oil again because as if you notice the pan was getting brown. So I decided to add the coconut oil spray this time. The first one was olive oil spray, but now I added the coconut. This one I think one spray is 1 calories. Isn't that amazing? But yeah, it doesn't go well on my non-stick pan. So I just decided to use the olive oil spray first before this one. Now we're just going to stir it around, make sure it doesn't get burnt. But yeah, if you notice, I didn't put seasoning as well because if I add seasoning at this point, because of we're not using too much oil, the pan will get burnt. So I try to prevent that. So we're just going to make it cook first, and then we're going to, while that is cooking, we're going to line, I think it's called line our pan with a baking sheet. Yeah, just a small baking sheet. It's my cute fingers. But yeah. By the way, I just want to quickly encourage those of you that are trying to lose weight. Don't worry, the journey is not easy, but you get there soon. So please don't give up. Consistency is key. So now we're going to spray our. Even if it says it's non-stick, it's non-stick, no need to spray. We're still going to spray, and then we're going to use our mini tortilla instead of using a big like the normal size one. I use the mini one because we're trying to reduce calories in it. So yeah, I used the mini one, and then I got back to the pan, and at this point it was ready. My bacon was it wasn't crispy, but it was just the way I like it, and my onions was perfect. And then I added my bell pepper and spinach. So yeah, Tesco didn't sell it together like this. I just mixed it together in the bowl because I hate washing dishes. But yeah, so now we're going to add mixed seasoning. This is just chicken spice, like every spice you can think of mixed together. And then we're going to add Maggi. And now we're going to mix it actually before we now add some oil spray. That's the coconut one. The coconuts, yeah, coconut oil spray, yeah. Just going to do that, and then we're going to stir around. So as I was saying about losing weight, it's not going to be easy. You're not going to the scale isn't going to change every single week. That's why I'll advise you check your measurements with like your jeans, like there's a particular jeans you're trying to fit into, or a particular dress. It's not going to be easy, but just keep going because if you give up, you go back to square one. So always think about that and don't give up. Just push yourself, be consistent, and with the help of God, I'm sure you would get there. No one ever said this was going to be easy. Nothing good comes easy, right? So now I'm just going to break an egg into the tortilla and pan stuff we did earlier, and then we're just going to whisk the egg around so it go around like the surface of the tortilla so it can be everywhere. And then we're going to now add our vegetable at some point. But as I was saying, no one said it was going to be easy. Nothing good comes easy. So please don't give up. Because if you give up, you just add more pound, add more kgs, and then it will be harder to lose the weight. So now we are adding our vegetables and bacon. And yeah, then we're going to seal the top with an egg. But yeah, so nobody said it was going to be easy, but if you just quit, just know that you add more kgs and you have more work to do. So don't quit now. Just keep pushing. And I've said this so many times. That's why I try to create for you guys low calorie recipes. The only way to lose weight is to eat in a calories deficit. Eat your carbs, eat your fat, eat your protein, eat your vegetables. The only way to lose weight is to eat in a calories deficit. That's why you should always check out my channel for low calories recipes that will help you to get your weight loss goals. Don't do all those ridiculous diets that will tell you, oh, don't eat carbs, or you're eating too much fat, or you shouldn't eat after 8 p.m. Like I actually used to believe that if I eat after 8 p.m. I'll add weight. But that's just a lie. The only way to add weight is to eat more calories than you burn, and yeah, that's it. So now I'm just adding egg whites. Egg whites you can find that in Tesco. You can find it in Co-op, sadly, the Co-op next to me, but you can find it in Tesco. I'm sure you can find it in Waitrose and Sainsbury. But yeah, that's egg whites just to reduce calories instead of using 3 eggs, 3 large eggs. And then I was adding seasoning at the top. But yeah, instead of using 3 large eggs, you use egg whites. That way your calories would be lower. Yeah, you eat more for less calories. And now we're just going to pop that into the oven for 25 minutes. And after 25 minutes, you're going to see the magic. This was like 200 or 3, it was 300 calories on the spot. So yeah, after 25 minutes, this is what it looks like. And this is just 300 calories. Really good. I won't promise you that it's filling. Well, not for me because I like food, but it was good. You can have vegetables like broccoli on the side, and I'm sure you'll be filled up. And this is just me showing you what the inside looks like, so you know, be like, after 25 minutes, it wasn't cooked precious. It's your oven's fault, it's not Precious' fault. This is after 25 minutes, and I'm going to show you what it looks like inside. I think it was on 200 degrees, by the way. Okay, I'm talking too fast. Well, yeah, this is me just thanking you for watching and showing you the inside. It was a struggle, but we made it in it. So yeah, think at this point we got there, and can you see the inside is cooked? It was so good. Oh my god, guys, you need to try this out. So good. And then you have your bread at the bottom. So it was good. I'll recommend this for those trying to lose weight for breakfast, and it's very quick, so you can just pop this in the oven and then go and shower. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and do all that jazz. Thank you.
If you enjoyed that video, please don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. Don't forget to share with your friends. Tell a friend to tell a friend to you. Tell everybody. Don't forget to comment down below if you would try out the recipe, or if you tried it out and you'd like to let me know. Also, you can contact me on my Instagram page called the Chef T. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more easy quick recipes, and please turn on the notification bell so that anytime I upload a video, if I upload a video, you get it instantly. You just get the notification and you come here and watch the video. Alright guys, thank you so much for joining me here today. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.